Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Tally dining range. In the Tally range we will find a sideboard, a dining table and two versions of a dining chair, a carver and a regular. The table and chairs is sold as a set, but you can also buy regular chairs separately. This is a stunning dining range carefully carved from hickory wood, which is known for its rustic characteristics and amazing durability. We can see the perfect imperfections of the hickory wood grain in all of the pieces of the Tally range. Each piece is one of a kind, showing off unique grooves, burls and knots. We also have a gorgeous chevron design detail that we can see here on the top of the table, as well as the front and top of the sideboard, giving the Tally range an elegant finish. The dining table measures at 112 centimetres in width, 193 centimetres in length while not extended, and 244 centimetres while extended. The table extends with the aid of a gliding chain mechanism which aids a smooth and flawless table extension. The exceptional detail and design is truly transparent here with the Tally dining table. The chairs in the Tally range ooze elegance and comfort. Quite a tall back design with a curved detail which aids and supports our natural back arch. The seats are cream fabric and are filled with fibre for additional comfort. We have a gorgeous stud detail all along the seats, giving the Tally chair a lovely touch. The sideboard featured in the Tally range is quite big and offers us ample of storage space with its 2-drawer and 4-door design. The drawers are both lined with a velvet lining and one of the drawers also features a cutlery divider. We also have that stunning chevron design detail on the top of the sideboard as well as on the front of the doors. The sideboard is accented by a black metal handle. Transform your dining space with the Tally dining range today by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.